Hi, this is Venkat Krishna from Chris Software Solutions. In order to continuation to the Selenium, so today we are going to discuss about how to work with the alerts. So if at all in your application and all alerts are there, how to work with them, how to use of the alerts. So alert containing the OK button and OK and cancel buttons will be there. How to click on the OK button, how to click on the cancel button. If alert may have some text field also where we need to enter the data into it, how to perform all these operations, and alert may have some text on it, we need to fetch the text from alert. Let me take this sample application and show you what we are going to perform on it. So let me take the sample application. You can see here this is the sample application. So how alert is, when you click on here, see here, unless until you click on OK button, you cannot perform any operation on it. This is the alert. You should need to click on the OK button. Otherwise, you cannot perform any action on this page. So this OK button, click on OK. See, you can see here we clicked on the OK button. Similarly, another type of alert is it is containing OK and cancel buttons. So either you can click on cancel or you can click on OK. You can see here you clicked on OK. Another type of alert is where we are having text box where you can enter the data, and here also you can click on cancel and OK buttons. If you click on OK, see you entered Venkat. So these are all the alerts in the any web applications. So usually how to work with these alerts, how to click on the OK button, cancel button, how to get the text, and how to enter the data into the text box present on alert. So these are all the things agenda for this video where we are going to discuss. So first, how to click on the OK button. So this is the sample syntax for that. This is very simple working with alerts. Just you need to click on driver.switch_to.alert.accept. So where you are switching to the alert and clicking on accept. Accept is for OK button. Similarly, for cancel button and all, you need to give this syntax driver.switch_to.alert.dismiss. Dismiss is for the cancel button. Or you want to get the text from the alert, so you can use simple syntax driver.switch_to.alert.getText you can use. Okay, already we discussed getText method in the previous videos. And also you need to enter the data into a text box present on the alert. Just you can use first switch to alert and then using send case you can enter the data. So let me try all these things. Let me create a new class in my Eclipse. So this is the alert example. Click on finish. Let me take the common code from previous example. Okay, so this is my common code. I don't think I need to explain this code again and again because it is same. Just I am printing the Chris Software Solutions and Chrome driver path I am giving here. Don't worry that why Venkat is working only on Chrome. In the future videos I will try to cover Firefox and IE also. Okay, please follow my videos so that you will understand each and everything. And what is the sample URL? So this is the URL. Okay, fine. I am giving you the URL here. Fine. And just I'm okay. That's fine. So these are all the alerts will be there. First, let me try to inspect this element. First, we need to click on this. So I inspected. So what is there here? It is a list item. It is having on click, and this is the text. We need to identify only by using text. There is no way. And what happened to the its parent? Do we have its parent? Its parent is li, and li parent is ul, so it is also not having anything. Okay, then in that case let me try to identify only by using the link text. You already know what is this control tag name. This tag name is button. Tag name is button, and I am giving text equal to . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . 1 of 1, it is identifying successfully. You can see here. Now what I'm going to do, just I'm clicking on button, driver dot find element by dot xpath. This is my xpath dot click. Just I'm plan to click on it. Now alert is going to display. So how to handle alert? We need to first, if you will observe here, the first box is having only OK button. I want to display the alert text also. Okay, how we can display the alert text and all, I will show you. Handle alert and get the alert text. How we can get the alert text? Just I want to display here. How we can get the alert text is plus driver dot switch to dot alert dot get text method we need to use. Which method? Get text, to get the alert text. And then I want to click on the OK button now. So driver dot switch to dot alert dot accept. Accept is for OK button. That's fine. This is going to it is going to display the alert text here, and it is going to click on the OK button. Okay, so let me try to execute this one and we'll see. See, application is opening. Okay, so fine. You can see here you successfully clicked on alert, because I did not given any waiting time here. Okay, after click on alert, for example, I am giving thread.sleep for 5 seconds. Okay, 5000 milliseconds I am giving. Just you need to throws declaration. That's it. 5 seconds I am waiting after click on the alert. Okay, now let me execute and see. Okay, now after click on that button, it is going to wait for 5 seconds so that we can able to see the alert is displayed or not. Okay, application is launching. Okay, see, alert is displayed successfully, and it is going to click on the OK button. Perfect. And you can able to see here alert text, I am a JS alert. Similarly, I want to work with cancel button also. How we can do that? That is not there for this alert. Let me work with second alert also. Okay, second alert. We need to click on there, right? So same syntax I am using here. Or let me try to inspect this. Second one. Okay, here this is the text. Just I'm copy pasting here. It should work. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to get the OK and cancel two buttons here. I want to click on cancel. Once you clicked on cancel, what is showing here? You clicked cancel. Okay, so let me try to first I want to display the text also, alert text also. See here, just I'm copying these two statements to here. Alert.getText, it is going to display the text, and then I want to wait for 5 seconds, and then I want to click on it. I want to wait for 5 seconds, and then .dismiss. Dismiss is for the cancel. Fine. Now two things it is going to execute. First alert, it is going to click on the OK button. Second alert, it is going to click on the cancel button. First it is going to display the alert text, and then it is going to click on the cancel button. Okay, let me execute and see. Okay, Chris Software Solutions is printed successfully. Yeah, browser is launched and URL is launching. it will take some time while loading the application because it is a test application. It will take some time while launching the first alert is displayed successfully and it is going to click on the OK button. Fine. Second alert is displayed successfully. You can observe here. You clicked cancel. We clicked on the cancel now. Okay. Similarly, third one is also see here. It is containing what is the third one is containing, and this text box is also there. I want to click on enter into this text box also, and then click on OK button. So that is what our scenario is. See here. Let me try to inspect this. Click for Java's prompt is there. Okay. And now we are going to work with third alert. Okay. So same statements. I'm going to copy to third alert also. And this is the text we captured for the alert. Just I'm updating here. Fine. So alert text is going to display and 5 seconds it is going to wait, and I want to accept that alert instead of dismiss. Dot accept. Okay, fine. So first alert is going to display only with OK button, and we are doing that. And the second one is displaying with OK and cancel. I am doing cancel. Third alert is displaying with text box and OK and cancel. I am accepting it. Now we are going to enter the data. Driver dot switch to dot alert dot send keys. We need to use the send keys. I am going to enter there Venkata Krishna. Okay, so what the third alert is going to do? It is going to click first on clicking on the third alert, and it is going to display the alert text, and then it is going to enter the Venkat Krishna, and then just I want to wait for just 3 seconds. 3000 milliseconds I have given, and then it is going to click on the OK. Okay, see third alert you can see here. Once you click on here, I am entering just Venkat. Click on OK. See, you entered Venkat is displaying here. So let me execute and see how it is displaying. Okay, I am running the entire script now. Total 3 alerts we are going to see in this script execution. See, application is loading. See, first alert is displayed successfully with the OK button, and we are going to see second alert is displayed. Second alert is displayed. See, third alert is displayed. It need to enter the data. Venkata Krishna over there. Okay, you can see here you entered Venkata Krishna. So like this way we can work with the alerts and all. Okay, and also some situations you may have 3-4 text boxes. One thing you need to remind here is whenever any text box is there, this we cannot identify. You can inspect it. See, no inspection, nothing. You cannot identify this. You can identify only by using alerts. Let me assume we have 4 text boxes on the alert. Then how you can enter the data? So then what we need to do is in the next sessions I am going to use the actions class. So that way we can do that. Our second way is by using send keys. You can pass the keys also. You can pass the tab key. The control goes to next text box. Again pass the tab key. So it will goes to the next text box. So like that way we can do. That is a workaround for us because the controls available in alert we cannot able to identify. So that by using send keys you can pass the keys and you can enter the data. So that is only the workaround we are having in that scenario. If at all we are having more text boxes or more check boxes are there on the alerts, then workaround is you need to pass the keys. You need to pass the keys using send keys method. Okay, so this is about the how to work with the alerts and all. But before going to end this video, I need all your help to circulate our videos or help me liking and sharing and all. Already I recorded and uploaded the manual testing videos completely, and manual testing interview questions also I uploaded. These are all the videos, and it contains all the real-time process and everything. You can go through it and come back to me if at all you are having any questions, and put it into a chat box, so that I will try to cover more and more videos. Okay, so how to tell about Selenium, tell me about yourself, manual testing, and Selenium interview questions, test ng. Okay, so this is about the manual testing interview questions. So I'm trying to uh, do more and more videos. I need encouragement from you all. Please like and share to your friends, and help them also get habituated to the real-time process what we are following, so that I will try to help as many people as I can. Okay, so please do a favor for me by liking and sharing all our videos and all. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. My channel name is Chris Software Solutions. So you can search in YouTube, you will get it, Chris Software Solutions, so that you will come to our page. So if at all you have not gone through my videos, please gone through it and come back to me with all your questions. I will try to cover Selenium videos end to end, all along with the framework and all soon. So please try to follow all my videos so that you will understand what is Selenium, how it is going to work, what is manual testing, and how we can do in real time. Because Agile model also I have done one video. You can go through it. Agile model is very important nowadays. So like that way, see, Agile terminologies I have done, Agile model I have done one video. So these all are very important nowadays. So please try to follow all these videos. Surely you will get a real-time knowledge about manual testing and Selenium. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you so much.